Hi friends, my name is Sarita and today we'll talk about how you need to prepare for certification exam. I am myself an SAP certified, so I will share some tips I use to prepare myself during my exam period. Before starting, I will tell you that if you have no experience into SAP and you are a complete fresher, please opt for proper training program through authorized centers. They give you proper study materials and full-time online training platforms which help you to understand the course well. Training is must for freshers as far as giving the certification is concerned, and direct certification is good for people who are already working as SAP consultant or who has some experience into it. I would like to tell you, don't take this exam lightly. It's not going to be easy to clear, at least for freshers. Most of them don't clear this exam in first attempt. If you want to clear the exam, please follow these 6 steps strictly. First step is refer to the study material provided by authorized training centers. They provide you with good learning materials. In each book, they have given you brief theories about each concept plus the steps to follow for different configurations. So follow it thoroughly. The second would be practice, practice and practice. That's what will save you. Don't just understand the concept, learn to configure it as well. If you enter the system software, you need to remember the codes for each action. Don't by heart it. In fact, practice it again and again, because if you will by heart, you will have really hard time clearing the exam. The third step would be plan your study schedule, divide it properly, give time to learning the concepts, and at the same time practice the steps or assignments given to you after each chapter on the same day. It will give you more and more clarity on concept plus configuration, so do it in software too. It becomes easy to correlate. The fourth point would be write down the question if you're stuck somewhere and clear your doubts with the trainers online. The fifth step would be practice as many sample questions as possible which are readily available, as this will give you the feel of examination pattern. The sixth point is the most important point. Try to understand the concept very well, because if you don't, simple twist in questions will confuse you. As far as the exam is concerned, it consists of total 80 questions and you get 180 minutes to complete the exam. You need to answer each question properly, and if you get stuck somewhere, just move to other question, as you can come back and answer it before submitting the final submit button. This will avoid waste of time and you won't end up with incomplete examination. Just recheck all the questions before submitting it. Once you complete and hit the submit button, you get the result on the spot itself. So practice and practice the live configuration along with theories. That's the rule mantra to clearing the certification. I hope this information was helpful. My best wishes to all the people who are planning to give their SAP certification. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, as this motivates me to create more and more good content. Thank you so much.